Hey guys, hope you all doing good today. Today we're gonna explain about the maps book and we're gonna continue with the other lessons. Up on page 24 is talking about the special lines on the map, lesson 13. Before I'm gonna explain what are the lines or the special lines on the map, you have to know what is the name of the globe, what they call it. What is the shape of it? Look here. This ball. The shape of this ball is called sphere. Okay, the globe is called sphere. But what the half of, or if you look to one side of the globe, what is the name? What they call it? If one side of the globe, I cannot see what is the other. When the other side look like, but here this side, I'm looking to the ball from one side. So this side is called hemisphere, means half of the globe. If all of it, all the ball is called the sphere. That's clear, right? So here, if you look to the hemisphere, to the half of the globe, you have the latitude lines, the horizontal lines, and the easiest line that you can find it on the map is the equator lines, the line in the middle here, the one is located in the middle, that is separate or divided the globe or the earth to the North Pole and the South Pole. All right, so the equator, here's the equator. This line is called equator. Here you have the Pacific Ocean, and here is the equator. Equator is located at 0 degrees. And then you go to the North Pole, you're gonna take 30 north, 60 north, 90 north, and so on. So you're going down same degrees, but with South Pole. Look, 30 south, 60 south, and 90 south. All right. Let's go to the questions. Question number 1, what is saying? Complete the following. Find the equator, put an X on it. We said, where's the equator? Equator, the line of the equator is located in the middle. So what are you gonna do? We're gonna put X on the line of equator. Look, find the equator and put X on it. Here's the X on the equator line. Find the North Pole and circle it. North Pole, where's the North Pole? Here is the North Pole and the South Pole. North Pole, I'm gonna circle the North Pole. Question number 2. Question number 3. What is located at 0 latitude? 0 latitude, what do we have? We say the equator is located at the 0 latitude degrees, right? So what is it? Is it North Pole? B, equator. C, South Pole. For sure, number 3 is B, the equator. So number 3 is B. Number 4. What is located at 90 degrees S, means south latitude? Okay, let's go to the, is it A, North Pole? B, equator? C, South Pole. Where's the, here you have 90 degrees north and you have here 90 degrees south. So what is located at 90 degrees latitude? Sure, is South Pole. So number 4 is C. Number 5. At what line of latitude is the North Pole located? A, 90 south, B, 30 south, C, 90 north. Again, 5. At what lines of latitude is the North Pole? For sure, North Pole is 90 north, is not 90 south. So number 5 is C. Number 6. What line of latitude is found between 30 south and 90 south? Here's the 30 south is right here, and 90 south is right here. So what is located between them? What is the line that is located between the two between the two lines? Is it A, 60 south, B, 0 degrees, which is equator, or C, 60 south? Sure, here is 30, here you have 30, and here you have 90 degrees south. So what is located between them is 60 north, but I'm sorry. Yes. See. Seven. Which line of latitude lies between 0 and 60 north? Let's go to the north. Here is down is south, and you have to go to the north. So which line of latitude lies between 0, here's the 0, the equator line, and 60 north? Here's the 60 north. What is between 60 north and 0 degrees? Which is 30 north. Number 7 is A. Number 8. Which continent does latitude line 30 south cross? So which latitude you have? The North America and you have the South America. So the 30 south is located or is crossed. Which continent does latitude lines 30 south crossed? So is it North America or South America or America? Sure, here's the South America, here is the North America. So look here, here is the 30 south. You're starting with the 0 equators and you're going down. So this line first is it crossed which latitude, which continent? Is it North America, South America, or Antarctica? Is not past the Antarctica yet, but here you're starting from the 0 and you're going down because he's saying the south. Look, 30 south degrees. So first is cross the South America. Number 8 is B. Let's go to the other page. The other page is 25, is talking the same degrees, but talking about the longitude. By the way, here the latitude lines, before I'm going to explain the north latitude, the latitude lines, the line it runs east to the west. Look, east to the west. Starting from here, look here, going all around the globe. So starting from the east to the west. But here in the longitude, these lines run from the North Pole to the South Pole, north to the south. All right. Here in longitude, in the latitude lines, the middle line is located at the 0 degrees, which is called the equator. But here in the longitude is called prime meridian. Here is it. The prime meridian, here's the line, the prime meridian is located in the middle of the longitude lines and is 0 degrees. Let's continue to the questions. Number 9, what says? Find the prime meridian and put X on it. Here is the prime meridian. Look, is right here. Put X on it. Here, I'm going to put X on the longitude prime meridian line. Number 10, find 120 east longitude line. Draw a triangle on it. Again, find 120. Where is the 120? 120 east is right here. Look, is right here. Here is it. So Draw an triangle on it. Here is it. I'm gonna draw anywhere a triangle on the line. 11. In which direction do lines of the longitude run? In which direction do the lines of longitude run? How they are? We said, is it A, north and south, or east to west? North and south refers to the longitude, but B, east to west, no, it's talking about the latitude. So number 11 is A, north and south, because they are longitude lines. 12. From what line are the lines of latitude measured? Is it measured from the equator? A. Is it equator is starting to measuring the longitude lines from the equator? No, equator is talking about the prime, about the latitude lines. B is the prime meridian. C, North Pole. So A is wrong. They saying how you can measure the longitude lines. A is talking about equator. No, equator is the latitude. C, North Pole. No, it's not. We're not gonna start from the North Pole to measure all the longitude. No, we have to start with the prime meridian lines and start to measure the other lines. So number 12 is B. 13. What lines of longitude run through Africa? What lines of longitude run through Africa? Where is the Africa? He is right here, Africa. So what are the two lines that are run through the Africa, the continent of the Africa? Two, which is 30 east, and 0, which is the prime meridian. The Africa is located between these two longitude lines. So number 13 is 0 and 30 east. Number 13 is B. 14, the last line, the last point. What lines of longitude run through the Indian Ocean? By the way, look here. What lines of longitude run through the Indian Ocean? Is it A, 60 east and 90 east degrees, or 30 east and 90 east degrees, or 0 and number 6, 0 and 120 east degrees? If you look to the globe or to the map, there is no Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean is located right here, Indian Ocean. All right? So, in what lines of longitude run through the Indian Ocean? So, look here, same as about the Africa, the continent of Africa, we said is located between two lines. Same right here. Look, the Indian Ocean is located where? Between 60 east, here is the line of the 60 east, here is it. 60 east and what? And 90 east. So Indian Ocean is located right here between two longitude lines. So what is the correct, or what is the right answer of question number 14? 60 and 90 east. So number A. That's all about lesson 13. Thank you.